Hi, Bree.
Hi.
This is an interview for Mother's Day, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So I'm gonna ask you some questions about mommy.
Okay.
First question, what is mommy's name?
Beverly.
Beverly, yes. How old is mommy? You just guess.
13?
13, okay.
Correct ba? 13 ka na?
No, I'm 38.
38?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, next question, what is mommy's job?
Working.
Working where?
Office.
Office. What is mommy's favorite food?
Samgyeopsal.
Sandwich. It's samgyeopsal.
Samgyeopsal.
Okay. What is mommy's favorite color?
Color? Black.
You think I like black?
Yeah.
Yes, I like black.
And white.
And white?
And brown.
Brown? Yeah.
Because you always like simple.
Oh, mommy likes simple. Simple things, right?
Like this.
Yeah. What's the name of mommy's sister?
Tata Big.
Tata Vic. Yes, correct. How about mommy's mommy? Who is my mother?
Lola Let.
Lola Let. Good job. What are the things na do ni mommy that you like?
That you like?
You like, yeah. Ano yung mga do ko na like mo?
Lambing.
Lambing. What's something your mom always say? Ano yung say ko lagi?
Love you, Brielle.
Love you, Brielle. What else? Something else?
Love you so much.
Love you so much. Ano yung nagpapahappy kay mommy?
Ako.
Ikaw. You make me happy? Yes, you make me happy, baby. You and your siblings, right? Final question. Do you have a message for mommy?
Yeah.
Can you say it?
Kasi message ko sa'yo. Love you.
Love you too.